Nick and Beth, put on your detective caps, bink, because we've got a bit of a YouTube mystery on our hands. This video is from Conklin, an area in Alberta, Canada. You see some workers here, and they're filming because there are some strange and eerie sounds in the forest.
What?
And the sound repeats. Listen. Here's the thing. There are a lot of these videos circulating YouTube right now. This is just the latest, the one from Canada. There are videos coming from Sweden, Hungary, Costa Rica, all with similar strange sounds.
What? That is the same sound almost. This has to be some kind of really brilliant ad campaign for a horror movie.
Yeah, I think I'm thinking the same thing.
Although I also have to say, guys, I mentioned, there are videos popping up all over the place. Well, I found one that I think is probably the best one from Winnipeg in Canada. Listen.
Can you guys hear that? Like a listen.
I knew it! I was gonna say, it sounds like your damn horn.
Sounds like my Secret Santa gift.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So was the other one?
No, the other one's real. I just put that one in there.
Oh, that one was
Yeah,
just to mess with us?
Yeah.